shenanigans, I guess. Today we're back with 64, and we're gonna see if we can get some more progress done on her. That wind is nasty. Oh, I think step one, before we even clean it, we're gonna make it short. With that,
we're gonna start backwards.
Yeah, backwards.
We're gonna start from the back.
Yeah, the back forward. So, yeah, stay tuned. Lots of cutting and gutting and slicing and dicing and I don't know. Do as I say, not as I do. Alright, next step is pushing her down the hill because your roll's too good. Oh, what? My word. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Right along. Remember how I said it rolled good? Yeah. Here, give me a second. Now that our bed floor is extremely clean, like I could eat my dinner off that. Probably not. I think we're gonna try to haul her up to the house. So yeah. Broom. You folks on the internet are about to witness the easiest bed install you've ever seen. What I call eccentricity. Okay. I think just slide her out, Dave. Yeah. Cool. Got a hole here, let's go. Go. Easy bed in and install. Let's tip her over. Suspense. We now have a flatbed 64 Ford. It's the easiest bed uninstall I think I've ever done in my life. Right there. There we go. Okay. Now we got a clear shot of moving these perches, these, from there up here. So there we go. I think we got a shot. What would you say?
Yeah, I'll make her a short bed.
Was that fun?
That was easy.
That was easy, nor fun. Well, fun. I don't know. What's fun anymore? I don't know. We'll see. Commence the cleaning. Oh, in my face. I got gloves.
that day on, if I was going somewhere, I was running.
I think next up, what we're gonna do now is, now we get our bed off, now we can see what we're working with, and I think commence the grinding scene where we're cutting everything off. Sounds like fun. Okay, so the main issue we got going here is what I'm trying to work on. We have no flat ground here. It's all slope this way. So that's our issue we're fighting. So this side is kind of in the air. That side's about a foot in the air. And as you can come back here, and you probably could see, truck's cockeyed that way. So, I guess we could let this side down. That side's all the way up. So I guess we're just gonna have to live with it. Should be fine, I hope. So, yeah. Come here, cat. Let me pet you. Well, for today, we got our beautiful shock mounts cut off. Right? Beautiful shock mounts cut off. We got our bed off, as you can see. And we got our drive shaft off. So, all we got left now is we're gonna go the quickest, dirtiest, cheapest, easiest, sleaziest, most uncomfortable way, and we're just gonna cut the shackle rivets off. We're gonna just slide this forward to about here instead of cutting the frame, because yeah, I don't want to do that. And yeah, should work out fine in our favor. So stay tuned, because I think next we're going to be cutting them rivets on them shackles, and watch me struggle as I cuss, swear, and fight, try to get that rear rivet off, as we were just jokingly saying. So yeah, all in good fun or something. Welcome back to day 2 of this crazy idea. I got my shop set up here, so no further ado, let's keep cutting and see where we can get. Yes. I'm going ahead here. I'm just kicking the camera on when I feel like I should update you guys on something. But not to bore ya, we got our front shackle mount just about all the way off, so got one more rivet we got to grind the head down on and start punching that out. Then we're gonna focus on our rear, and yeah, probably kick you guys on when we go do the other side, and you can watch the full idea I mean, it's just pretty straightforward. Just take an angle grinder, you know, and just grinding rivet headstones. So the quick, dirty, cheap, and easy short bed conversion is coming along very nice. How in the hell? Well, now we're gonna need a set of leaf springs. Did I do that on the other side? It, so. All right, so all of our rivets are cut, as you can see. But as we were wailing on it with the BFH, yeah, leaf spring pack, yeah, we broke it. So we need leaf springs. Ah, damn it. But you know, it's a short bed. No, all I gotta do is just, you know, finish it. So yeah, suppose that'll be the next step. My SD card storage here is running very low, so yeah, let's resolve that issue and probably be back drilling holes in these perches, and then we're gonna be cutting the bed, hopefully. We'll see. That's the plan anyways. All right, welcome back. Yeah, having a day right now, that's all I got to say. Fix you guys there. So we're back on the 64 Old Thunder here. We got our wheelbase lengths all written out on the back of the cab, classy. But we left off, I think our main leaf for our pack is broke, so we found these. Don't question me of what these are. I think they're out of a Jeep, a Cherokee, an XJ. So yeah, a little wider on the fronts, that's fine. And you're gonna try to run them out with the,
Oh yeah, we're gonna save them.
no, we're gonna have to cut them.
They're pretty rusty.
There, yeah, I'll cut them. I'll get the grinder out. But yeah, so we're gonna see what's gonna take to get these leaf springs out. We'll probably film one side and then time lapse the other, which we already got enough time lapse footage in this. And I don't know. So yeah, stay tuned and something with the shenanigans or something. I don't know. Yeah, driving out them bolts will be mighty fun. Same with those. So stay tuned and watch the madness unfold, which more cutting like the first half. So yeah. All right, so we're gonna start out by getting after these U-bolts. See where that's gonna throw sparks at me. Okay, don't do that at home. I just about slingshot engaged, broke my arm. Don't do that. Oh, yeah, them U-bolts are shot. Okay, kind of afraid to do the next one. Hope I got that on camera. Okay, park brake cable out of my way. Yeah, be gone. I'll fight you like I fought that tree in the last episode. Yeah. Okay.
What are you, some kind of untrained professional here or what?
I guess.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Where's your safety shield?
We ain't got no safety.
No, we don't do safety here. Huh?
We don't, I guess. Well, there's one. Now we'll have to do 2 more. So turn that camera off and we'll pick you up once the rest are cut. And I lose my mind because I feel like they're gonna blow up my face. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, now to liberate spring from axle. Oh.
This side.
Oh, you'll grab that side?
Yeah.
Set them up here or what? Alright. Spring from axle has been liberated. And this is what we're cooking with in the kitchen. Yeah, and I cleaned the frame up. So we're going from this thing, which is, they're roughly the same length, huh?
Oh yeah.
Roughly. Are them eyelets in the back on them bigger? No, they're the same. That's fine. But yeah, them packs are, they're rust jacking in 3 different counties. So
We're going for the gasser look. It'll be fine. We want the rear to be down.
Yeah, them will slam her down about, I don't know, probably 3 inches. So no, it's not a squatted truck. It's gasser. You're right. So yeah, proceed. I think. Sure. Why not? What's going on here? That's not a 64 Ford. That's a Western snowplow. What's going on here? Ah, I found it. We're not in her normal spot of her resting place where she was sitting before. She's now behind my shed. Here's our bed. I think we left off, we pulled the axle up underneath it. I show you guys the Jeep leaf springs. Yeah, that's right. So this thing, we got Jeep leaves. Jeep leaves. Something like that. Okay, so, refresher if you're just catching up now. My dad said, hey, move that truck away from my house. It's making my house look like a scrapyard. Not really. No, he didn't say that. But here we are. So, this is where I think we're going to end this episode of Poor Thunder. It's raining. But yeah, what we got accomplished is rear end is completely just chained to the frame to move it around. I think that's about the height we're going to go for though. But the axle is going to be about here. So, yeah. Our bed's there. Another freebie little sneak peek teaser of a video. 67 to 72 Chevy truck bed. That'll be good. And yeah. This is going to be the end of the 3rd episode on Thunder. We wasted no time getting right into shortening up the frame, making her a true short bed, but here we are. A little late to the game. And yeah. So, if you want to see more of Thunder, the 64 Ford F-250, that's going to be lowered. And it's going to have a nasty diesel. Stay tuned. I think I don't want to miss it. So, like, share, and subscribe, do all that good stuff. And yeah, as always, Gerkie's Garage signing out. And you? See you there. Sitting on your couch or eating Cheez-Its or watching this in your buddy's shop with the lift, borrowing his car trailer. You keep turning them wrenches. Maybe one day, you might be like me, questioning your life decisions and thinking, why'd you do this? Yep. Gerkie's Garage Salvage. Call now. Very nice. Subscribe right now.